up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. In today's video, we're heading out to Long Beach to pick up a new part. I'm pretty sure you guys can already tell by the title of this video. We are going to pick up a brand new front bumper for the G35. It was a very hard decision. I've been having my girlfriend help me out on it, and I think we finally made up our mind, so we're going to pick it up. You guys will find out what it is as soon as we get there. Alright, so we're down here at the homie's house. Before I show you what bumper we got, let me go ahead and show you his G35. This thing I think is badass. I love the color on it. Look at this thing right here. And then he has the hood I want, actually. What do you think of that hood?
I like it.
That's the hood I want. But, dude, this hood is bad. Carbon, of course. Jeez. I like how he did the intake like that. That's pretty cool. This thing's dope. Dope. And then the rear diffuser I was gonna get, but then ended up going with what I have now. But alright guys, so we ended up going with the OG design front bumper. I was gonna get the GT3, but it being fiberglass and all, I didn't want to risk it, so went with this. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think. I think this is gonna be, it's gonna go pretty hard on it. It's the final piece to what we need. Alright guys, go ahead and give him a follow on there. He has the link to where you can get all the parts for your G35. You guys make G37 stuff as well?
Yeah, we got the Q-style poly bumper.
Okay.
And we're working on a GT3 in poly, and we're working on an IPL for G37 in poly.
Okay.
Yeah, and I also carry like other parts like radiators, aluminum radiators, rotors, and headlight parts, and bulbs, and everything that you could possibly think of.
Hell yeah. So make sure to go give him a follow, guys. All your G35, G37 needs. And definitely will take care of you like he took care of me right now. But, alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and head home. I'll catch you as soon as we get there. What's up, guys? Alright, so it is actually the next day. We got the car pulled right here in the middle, ready to go. We're going to be getting the front bumper installed. So excited. So first things first, pretty much, obviously we got to go ahead and remove this. And if anybody wants this front bumper, it is for sale. Let me know. All it needs to be is a nice sanding, and yeah, this clear coat is all just coming off. So perfect condition though. It just needs to be repainted, and the tow hook is shaved. So if anybody wants this front bumper, make sure to comment down below. I will not ship, just local pickup only. So let's go ahead and start getting this bad boy removed. I'm probably just gonna set you guys up on a time lapse, and first step, yeah, get it removed. Oh, sweet. So, never mind. There it is. It's on. Fitment looks really good so far. Yeah. Just gotta go ahead and just throw those little pieces on that I showed you guys right here. Headlight fitment is really nice, on point. Everything looks good. Sweet. There it is, guys. She's done. So let's go ahead and get it pulled out of the garage, air her out, and see how she looks. Oh my God. Oh my God. Dude. Oh my God. I'm in love with this car. It looks so good. So it does not sit on the floor. However, it's pretty freaking close, but it's okay because it gives me room now to make a splitter for the car. So that's all right, no worries there. But holy shit. Look at that. This bumper's fire. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think. I am in love with it. Everything is just like kind of put together now. Like, yeah, we still need a little bit more on the front. There's some other ideas I have going down as well that I need to do before paint. But with the front bumper, the side skirts, the wing, how aggressive that rear end is, it all just really flows now together. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and get the car backed in, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put a little guide coat over all of this. As you can see, we have some Bondo exposure. I ended up reworking this area, so I'm gonna put a guide coat down, block everything, and then we're gonna put another coat of primer over this whole thing.
Yeah. Unknown Brain. Marvin Devine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating. Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming. It's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody living better. I'm trying to tell you that me just doing me gon' have you jealous.
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games, yeah. I know that I found somebody else to love me one day, yeah. You'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side, no. You did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye. So now I gotta say goodbye.
Yeah, my life is lovely now, I'm focused on me. You said you were about to die, I guess the car is on E. But see, I ain't even tripping, cause I just chose to believe that somebody gon' come around and give me just what I need. I don't wanna see you frowning, see you looking down and out, coming to me crying, saying you miss having me around. Gave you chances and you blew it, you so easily influenced. All the times you told me beat it, now you